Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking you deep into the world of uncompromising luxury and sheer performance. This isn't just another SUV, it's the 2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63 P850. A full-sized AMG beast, completely transformed by Mansory into a hyper-luxury, wide-body powerhouse with 850 horses under the hood. It's bold, it's rare, and it's dripping with carbon fiber. Let's break it all down. Body panels. The Mansory GLS 63 doesn't just get a makeover, it gets an entirely new identity. The body panels are widened with forged carbon fiber extensions, giving this already massive SUV an even more commanding presence. The fenders are flared out dramatically, while the doors, hood, and lower side skirts are resculpted for an aerodynamic, motorsport-inspired edge. This isn't about blending in. Every curve and surface demands attention while also improving airflow and high-speed stability. Headlights. At the front, multi-beam LED headlights with blacked-out Mansory housings frame the aggressive carbon fiber front fascia. They provide full adaptive lighting with ultra-high precision. Whether you're driving at night, in fog, or through tight corners, the beams auto-adjust in real time, enhancing visibility and keeping glare to a minimum for oncoming traffic. With startup animations and a sharp daytime running light signature, these lights are just as smart as they are intimidating. Taillights. Around back, you'll find custom OLED taillights with a revised lighting signature that glows in deep red hues. These ultra-thin taillights stretch across the rear tailgate, with animations for braking, signaling, and locking, unlocking. The lighting looks crisp, futuristic, and unmistakably high-end, enhancing visibility while giving the rear of the vehicle a supercar-like impression. Grille. Replacing the standard AMG grille is Mansory Stake, a forged carbon centerpiece with horizontal vanes and a floating Mansory badge. The grille integrates cooling channels to funnel air directly into the radiators and intercoolers, while active shutters behind it improve aerodynamics at higher speeds. Flanked by massive carbon air intakes, the front end is not just brawny, it's functional and track-ready. Seats. Step inside, and you're immersed in handcrafted luxury. The seats are bespoke Mansory units, wrapped in quilted Napa leather with contrast stitching, Alcantara inserts, and illuminated logo embroidery on the headrests. They offer multi-contour adjustment, dynamic side bolsters, heating, ventilation, and massage. Rear seats mirror the comfort with executive-style reclining options and individual climate controls. Every touchpoint is plush, premium, and personal. Dashboard. The dashboard continues Mansory's carbon luxury theme with forged carbon trims, contrast leather surfaces, and ambient light strips embedded across the cockpit. It's modern, spacious, and crafted like a high-end yacht interior. Every switch and vent is redesigned with diamond-cut finishes or brushed aluminum, offering a tactile, satisfying feel. The level of detail here is exceptional, from the stitching patterns to the floating center console design. Infotainment system. At the core of the tech experience is the MBUX dual-screen layout, spanning over 24 inches across the dash. The system runs smoothly with augmented reality navigation, voice control via Hey Mercedes, and personalized driver profiles. Mansory adds its own flair with custom welcome animations and UI skins to match the vehicle's bespoke nature. Rear passengers get dual 11.6-inch entertainment displays with HDMI input, wireless headphones, and full climate audio controls. And of course, a Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system fills the cabin with symphony-like clarity. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom steering wheel is hand-stitched with a mix of Alcantara and carbon fiber. Mansory adds race-style thumb grips, paddle shifters made from milled aluminum, and a center stripe at the top for high-performance aesthetics. It's heated, multifunctional, and gives you fingertip control over media, cruise, super sport drive modes, and the digital driver display. It's not just a steering wheel, it's a command hub. Engine. Now let's talk power. The stock AMG GLS 63 comes with a formidable 4.0 liters bi-turbo V8, but Mansory takes it to the extreme. With larger turbochargers, a reworked EQ, and upgraded cooling, this beast pumps out a brutal 850 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque. The 0-60 mph sprint? Just 3.8 seconds, insane for an SUV this size. The power band is smooth, yet savage. Whether you're cruising or flooring it on the Autobahn, the Mansory GLS P850 never runs out of breath. Hybrid option. Though this isn't a plug-in hybrid, it does come with EcoBoost mild hybrid tech, a 48 volts electric motor that offers a temporary power boost, reduces turbo lag, and enables seamless start-stop transitions. It adds refinement during city driving and helps shave off some fuel consumption. But make no mistake here, the P850 remains a full-throttle V8 experience at heart. Airbags. Safety is uncompromised. The vehicle comes equipped with 11 airbags, including front, side, curtain, driver's knee, and even center airbags between passengers. Paired with Mercedes-Benz's PRE-Safe registered and PRE-Safe Impulse side systems, the SUV anticipates collisions and tightens seatbelts, adjusts seating, and activates protective measures seconds before impact. The Mansory package retains all original crash structures, ensuring a lead protection with bespoke styling. Parking assist. Despite its size, the Mansory GLS 63 is easy to maneuver thanks to active parking assist, a 360-degree camera system, and 3D surround view with real-time overlays. The system can steer the SUV into tight parallel and perpendicular spaces automatically. Sensors detect obstacles from all angles, while the augmented display helps you visualize curbs, pedestrians, and tight garage entries with confidence. Price. And now the part everyone's waiting for. The base 2026 AMG GLS 63 starts around $145,000. But once Mansory works its magic, expect to spend upwards of $350,000 to $400,000, depending on customizations, interior specs, and performance tuning. Each Mansory P850 is a one-of-one masterpiece, built by hand and tailored to the buyer's vision. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63 P850. A fusion of supercar performance, SUV practicality, and ultra-luxury craftsmanship. It's wild, rare, and unapologetically bold. Whether you're looking to dominate the road or just turn every head in your path, this is the SUV that delivers everything at full volume. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high-end automotive content. Got questions or want a head-to-head with Brabus or Maybach? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next drive.